Today I'm going to show you how to create an outlined text in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a video clip over here and we are going to add a text box to it, so top left. Now, if you want to add a line around your text, there are a number of ways you can do this. Over here, we've got text effects. These text effects over here will all have different types of lines around it, as you can see over here. Then we also have text templates. So these text templates are already pre-made. So they've got all of the movements, text coming in and out, all the different stuff going on here. So that is also a nice way of outlining your text. And then we can go over, we've got also our captions, so we've got auto captions, local captions, and then once we've added this text box, I'm just going to add a regular text box, and here we can just make it the full length of the video, and over here you can see that we're going to just say outline text, and we can now go to the bottom. We can scroll down slightly and we've got some presets. So these are outlined. So that is outlined there. And then if you come down a little bit more, you'll find that the stroke, that is the outline. Okay. So you can change the thickness there. You can also change the color. You can also go ahead and you can give it a background. So let's just say a background like that. You can also go and give it a glow. All right, so let's change the color of the glow. There we go. That looks pretty intense. So it's that one or that one. You can obviously change the intensity, the range. You can also offset it. So if you want it maybe other side, that's what it looks like. And then we've got the shadow, okay, which we can also give it a bit of a shadow. Then also see that we can curve this. Okay, so we've got the opacity of the curve, blurriness, and then we've got the strength right over here. So we can move it like that. And what's nice is you can actually take it from here and then you can add a keyframe, take it to the end and turn it the other way. And this is what it looks like. So as it's moving, it'll be keyframed. So there you go. You can put your outline around your text and a bunch more.